Oh, hey, bestie. Quick question. Do you still have power? Dang it. Storm hit you too, huh? Yeah, I lost power a couple minutes ago, and then everything pooped out. My electric blanket, my air conditioning, and my heat lamp. Oh, well, Mom always told me to get a battery-operated heat lamp just in case this happened, but guess who keeps procrastinating buying one? Yeah, this noodle. That's actually why I called. I was gonna see if I could come to your place and warm up, but I guess not. Oh, you really shouldn't. I don't want you coming over in the blizzard. It could be dangerous. No, really, I'll be fine. I'm sure the power will come back on in a couple minutes. Oh, it's no big deal. You're really not gonna give this up, are you? Okay, fine. You can come over. Just be careful, no dying, okay? I don't want to turn on the news tomorrow and hear about you flying off into a snowdrift. You promise to drive slow? Okay. I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, wait, before you hang up, thanks. This really does mean a lot to me. Yeah, I'll see you in a few. Hey, you made it to the drive, okay? Yeah, just, come in, here in the blankets and, let me coil you. Just let me know it's too tight. Oh, you are so warm. Sorry about my scales. I know they're freezing. Oh, hot chocolate. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, that's so good. Oh, are you okay? I'm not making you too cold. Ooh. Okay. Yes. Starting to warm up a little bit. Oh, thank you for coming over. If you didn't, I'd be a Mexico by now. Oh, what I wouldn't give to be warm blended. You humans, you don't know how good you have it. Seriously, I've been jealous of that ever since I was a hatchling. Well, you remember how much I would wrap around you when we were kids. Speaking of, can I coil you just a little tighter, please? Oh, thank you. This feels so good. Yeah. I remember especially during sleepovers. Sometimes during the night I would manage to sneak my tail into your sleeping bag. I don't remember how hot or cold it was. I would just always do it. Oh, I think it's finally starting to warm up. Oh, remember that time your dad asked if you needed any blankets and you said, no, I don't. She'll end up wrapping around me eventually. That's warm enough. Oh, don't remind me of that part. Our parents were so annoyed about trying to get us to be a thing. My mom was so insistent that we had crushes on each other that no matter how many times I told her that we were just friends, she would just push the way moms do. Yeah, I hated how they would not so discreetly talk about how cute we were as a couple. Made me cringe as a first grader, and it still made me cringe when we were in high school. At least they've calmed down about it now. Maybe it's because they don't have eyes on us 24/7. I don't know. That is true. There was that period in middle school when we kind of sort of dated, but it was mainly because of peer pressure. Neither of us were into it, right? Oh, God. Our first date. Oh, so weird. Don't remind me what I did. I said zip it. At least we learned how much better we were as friends. Yeah, in the future we are 100% wingmanning each other. Oh, speaking of, how's your partner doing? That's great to hear. Have you done anything special together recently? Oh, that was sweet of you. I'm sure she appreciated it. Me? Nah. I'm still not in the dating scene. I just don't really think it's my thing, you know? Everything is easier as a lone noodle. Well, everything except heating up in stupid blizzards. If you don't mind, can I steal some more of your heat? Too late, I've decided for you. Ooh. Hello, are you still breathing okay? Good. As much as I want your warmth, I don't want to suffocate you. That would guarantee that I freeze to death. Oh, and I guess I kind of like having you around. But that's a distant second. I'm kidding. You know you're my BFF. Oh, thanks again, by the way. With how long the power's been out for, you might have literally been a lifesaver today. Oh, I'm serious. Cold-blooded people are not meant to be in this weather without power. That's actually how my great-uncle Yuki died. Oh, you don't need to apologize. I didn't really know him at all, but my mom made sure to tell me that story over and over and over again when I moved out on my own. Actually, that's probably why she was so insistent I buy a battery-operated heat lamp. At least I know what I'm doing when the storm passes. No, I'm not upset with her. I get she was just looking out for me. I'd do the same thing, I guess, if I were in her scales. Wouldn't you? Speaking of kids, sorry, this is kind of a random side tangent, but I still have that bracelet you gave me back in 3rd grade. You know, the one with a half heart. Do you still have yours? Good, I guess that means we're still best buds. Yes, finally free from the frigid hellscape that is my powerless bedroom. In all seriousness, I'm glad to have the power back on. Now I can make some popcorn and finish my movie. Oh, you're headed home. Well, thank you so much for coming over to warm me up. As I said, you are a lifesaver. All right, I guess I'll see you around. Bye. Oh, what's going on out there? Oh, whiteout conditions, huh? Dang, I guess you're stuck with me for a long, long time. Too bad. You know, why don't we take advantage of this opportunity? Let's have another sleepover like the old days, Yes, me coiling around you included. Wouldn't be one of our sleepovers if I didn't do that, would it? No. If you don't mind, think you can make the popcorn? I'm still a bit, sluggish from the cold. It would take me a long while. Thank you. To make it fair, how about you pick the movie? Yes, even if you pick the nerdiest one you can find. I know I'm not as nerdy as you, but we both did obsess over those old superhero cartoons, remember? Yes. Our adventures as Super Snake and Mega Wonder were wild. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Hurry up before I get cold. Love you, bestie. This audio was brought to you by my Patreon. Thank you, my good boys, for making everything here possible.